Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's Corner. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you an interesting video of how I came across this interesting creature that I talked about in my video some weeks ago. Yes, I talked about this video. If you've not watched this video, I advise you go and watch it, because like seriously, life have an interesting way of bringing some things back to us. I talked about how I normally have fun, I and the children around me, then how we normally have fun catching termites when I was growing up. I never knew that life would bring this back to me again. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I came across this interesting creature once again, and I had fun catching it. So guys, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. A big welcome to you. And to my returning subscribers, I acknowledge you, and I say a big thank you to you for always being there. And if you are new, like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. Click on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Like this video and share it out. So guys, I present to you how I had fun once again catching termites and preparing it, because my sister loves it. Even her kids loves it. Even though they were coming across it, I think for the first time or so, they also loved it. So I was the one that prepared it for them. I present to you this beautiful fun that I had catching termites once again. Ta-da! Oh my God, it has been long I saw such a thing. You know, I was like, memories. Look at all this, is straight to the extent. I've 11. What's today's date? Hey, look at it. Has been long I saw these guys. It's fun. Look at, guys. I can't believe my eyes. It has been long. Guys, this is termites. This is termites. My God, look at. The areas that you see this is rare. I can't believe this. You know, guys, I told you I'm moving to Ondo. Look at. They have good light and they are just flocking. Like, see, this the same thing at the back side of the house. Guys, look. My God. Look at. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? Just meat, like seriously, guys. I'm leaving that. So guys, I will not bring this interesting video to you without letting you know the benefits that is contained in it and what those that consume it stands to gain health-wise. Okay. Guys, you know what? The funny part is that there is no light around. As it is now, it's Jen. So it's like they just, you know, this thing they get, they follow lights. Yes, lights attract them or what. So it's like this is just the only place that you see light around now, this particular circle. So this light just attracted them and they were just, it's reducing kind of. But before you will see that video now, like seriously, guys. Guys, I'm gonna be listing out the benefits, or health benefits of termites, also known as owlets. And I think that's the general name for it. have the queen termite, we have the flying termite. The flying termite is this one that I'm going to be showing you how I prepared it. And yes, the flying termites are edible, as in they are edible, and they remain a major source of food, especially in the developing and underdeveloping parts of the world. The flying owlets or termites are known by different names by different people in Nigeria. For example, the Igbo people refers to it as aku or nkpu. Yeah, that's what the Igbo people call it. Then the Akwa Ibom people call it ebu. The Yoruba people calls it eshunshun, while the Hausa people calls it kaya. I think I pronounced that very well. I don't know. Guys, termites are usually collected while they are flying or after their wings has fallen off. As their wings are so delicate, it can fall off easily. During the collection, these termites are added to a bowl of water. Afterwards, they are either fried in their fats. Yeah, just as I'm doing it now, because I just added only salt. They are either fried in their fats or in oil, or they can be boiled depending on what it will be used for. Some people add it to plantain moi moi, some add it to corn moi moi. Corn moi moi can be called different names by different people in different parts of our country, Nigeria. But I'm just calling it corn moi moi, which from Edo State where I'm coming from, they call it ekusu, and the Igbo people call it oswoka. So it can also be added to beans moi moi, like I said, depending. Then its benefits, yeah, it's beneficial to man, just as I said earlier. Maybe it can be medicinal. I'm adding a little bit of salt because the one I added was not enough, so I was just adding salt gradually. So as I was saying, it can be beneficial to man, medicinal. So it's not only beneficial to man, it can be beneficial to animals in terms of livestock feed. So termites are not only a source of food to man, but also to animals such as birds. So termites and its properties, as in the things that are contained in termites. It can be used in the rural area as medicine. You can use it to prepare a lot of medicines for different types of ailments. So I'll be bringing that one out, or listing that one out as we go on. It is essential to pregnant women. Like I said, it can be used as medicine. So it is essential to pregnant women. The mud, that place where it's coming out from, they have house, so it's called mud. The muds are used to prepare concoction applied in the stomach of a pregnant woman. Studies reveals that the mud contains a high amount of calcium and iron. So I think, according to their belief, according to the people that are applying it to the stomach of a pregnant woman, they feel it will add calcium and iron to the baby in the woman's belly. Yeah, guys. So that is in the rural areas. In the urban area, you cannot find such a thing, although it depends on people's belief. A lot of persons still believe in using traditional medicine in treating different ailments. So it's used for the treatment of ulcer. So it can be used for the treatment of ulcer. So they know how they prepare the medicine, using it to treat ulcer. And guys, it can also be used for the treatment of gastrointestinal disease. Yeah, termite mud are used in preparing herbal medicine for the treatment of gastrointestinal disease. due to the kaolin clay substance found in it. It can be used for treating cholera, dysentery, swelling of large intestine, indigestion, stomach ache, and diarrhea. Yes, guys, these are the few benefits I can list out, because this thing, I never knew the benefits until now. We can see it as common, but to those that are consuming it, it's beneficial to them. They know the health benefits, that's why they consume it. They don't have to go and prepare maybe a concoction or something before they can have the benefit, because I think those that are consuming it, they enjoy consuming it because it's kind of sweet. If I will say yes, then we enjoy taking it. Yeah, it's sweet, it's proteinous. Yes, it's proteinous, meaning it's a good source of protein and other micro and macronutrients. As such, its consumption should be promoted. It is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Like I said earlier, it contains fats. When I said it can be fried in its fats, meaning it contains fats. Yeah, guys, everything that God created is rich and nutritional and beneficial to human health. Yes, guys, like seriously, this termite is rich. Guys, I made a video some time ago where I talked about unforgettable memory, and I talked about termites in that video. Yeah, I talked about termites in that video, and yes, seeing this again brought back memories of me while I was growing up. Yeah, it brought out that memory. You know, there is fun growing up, a lot of fun growing up. Yeah, if you are in the area where you have a lot of kids around you, there are a lot of things that you might have done then, that when some things that you see this time will just remind you of the time while you were growing up. And this is it. So guys, it's ready. You can see it. I have to filter the wings out because I fried it the way that it can just go off all by itself. Yeah, as you can see, it's looking beautiful. Like seriously, it's looking beautiful. So yeah, it's ready. If I may say, I'm done now. It's already out of the fire. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, it means you are watching my video for the first time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted here. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below and share me out, guys. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for being there. I acknowledge you. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching the video. Yeah, if you enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Like this video, yeah, that's a thumbs up. Give me a comment if you really had fun catching this thing again, because like seriously, I never knew I would come across this thing again. Nature has its way of giving this thing to some particular area, and you know, this area, I'm kind of new here, so I think this particular area, they have the whatever around here, and that particular day there was light, so there was no light in the other side. So I think it was few places that had light. So this place, there was light in my house. I think they were looking for the side where they have light, because those things goes with light. So that was why I had to come across this thing once again, and I had fun doing it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So like I said, if you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Click on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And give me a comment, like I said. So guys, until I come to your screen once again with another one, I say thank you for watching. Chinelo signing out. Bye.